abnormal noise is occurring in the machine, then check the transit bolts. If the transit bolts have not been removed during installation of the machine, then remove the transit bolts. But if they have already been removed, check for any foreign material inside the machine like safety pins, nails, all pins, etc. If either of these materials are found inside the machine, remove them and educate the customer accordingly. Then, first check the ball bearings. But if the seating of the bearing is not loose, check the bearing bracket for any breakage. If the bracket is broken or damaged, change the bracket. Then, check the motor for any unusual noise. If the motor is noisy, replace the motor. Sealing ring is in normal condition, then check the screw of the heating. However, if it is already tightened, then check the motor holding pin buffer for any cracks. If any crack is found, replace the buffer.